There's flipping fireworks. Look, guys! It's my friend's firework. His name is Jamie. Watch his channel. It's called Xman 3000. I have an idea. Through here so I can see better. Ow! Jamie, please can you light the fireworks? Light it. Oh! Oh my God! I just fell down.
That was just a window.
No, it wasn't. Please subscribe to them fireworks. Hello? Please subscribe to the channel because I have 4. Let's turn the volume up for you. The volume is still minimize. Oh, yes. Minimize. Because my hand's too close right now. I have to go. Okay. Hello. Has he stopped? I think he stopped. Because Jake said it was 5. Oh! Oh! Oh!
I saw it.
The banging. Woo! Let's minimize it a little bit so I can see. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Tweet! Oh yeah, I'm Mr. Dr. Jordan.
Hi.
Watch his channel. If you search my name, you'll see Dr. Jordan.
And my name's called Dr. Jordan.
Fast. Let me majesty to your face. The fast for twice. Doesn't matter. So yeah, hey Jordan.
What?
I watched a video on my PlayStation.
What?
Playing different games.
Was there?
Yeah,
Me? Or was it you?
you
Me?
Yeah.
Wait,
on your channel.
is it that one?
When you was playing
I played
Five Nights at-
Granny and Five Nights at Freddy's.
And on that other game,
What?
the last game.
Was that Granny?
Yeah, on the other game after Granny after that.
Was it Kick the Body?
No. Okay.
Watch it again.
Oh!
What happened?
I scraped him, I think.
What?
Okay, let me just pass the screen to your face again.